A very good morning to all the Gurukulians. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Students, due to the spread of COVID-19, it became very difficult for teachers as well as students. But nothing is impossible. So all the Gurukul teachers are going to teach you by this channel and it will really become very interesting for you. I hope you all enjoy your studies by this way. All the good wishes to you all. Now let's start our new session. So students, now we are going to do mathematics class 7th chapter 1, that is integers. So as you all know about integers, what are integers? Basically integers are generally the numbers including 0, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Beside that, the negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Okay. So what are integers? Basically integers are the numbers including your whole numbers and also your negative numbers. So integers are the numbers which include both whole number भी और साथ में आपके negative numbers भी. Okay, clear? Now the numbers with no sign, or we can say the numbers with plus sign, like +1, +2, +3 and so on, like this. These numbers are known as positive integers. These numbers are known as positive integers, and the numbers with negative sign are known as negative integers. The numbers with no sign, or we can also say that the numbers with plus sign, are known as positive integers, and the numbers with negative sign are known as negative integers. Clear? Now next, what is 0? 0 is neither your positive integer nor your negative integer. It is just an integer. Now let's take some examples of integers. Suppose we have a number like 3, 4, 2, 1. So what is this? This is an example of integer. Which type of integer is this? This is your positive integer. Next, suppose we have another example like -32. Which type of integer is this? This is your negative Clear? So what is this? 12. If we have 12, which type of integer is this? This is again your integer. Which one? Positive integer. And suppose we have your -1. So which type of integer is this? This is your negative integer. Clear? Now suppose we have a number like -6/5. So this number is not your integer. इसको हम integer नहीं बोलेंगे. This is your fraction number. Suppose we have a number like √2. So this is not an integer again. इसको भी हम integer नहीं बोलेंगे. This is your rational number. Suppose we have an example like 3.4. So this is not your integer again. Okay? Decimal वाले numbers को भी हम integers नहीं बोलते हैं. Clear? Now your next topic is how to plot the integers on a number line. So basically what is your number line? Number line is just a line which can represent your positive integers as well as your negative integers, and at the center we have 0. Center में हमारे पास क्या होती है? 0. And on the right hand side of 0 we have positive integer like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, like this. And on the left hand side of 0 we have negative integers. Some students do like -1, -2, -3 and so on, but this is your wrong way. Okay, so please make this clear. If we have to plot negative integers on the number line. So your negative -1 is just on the left hand side of 0. Just left पे आपका -1 आता है. Okay. So on the right hand side of 0 we have +1 and on the left hand side of 0 we have -1. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on like this. Okay. Now if we have to plot a number 3 on a number line, so where is your number 3 on a number line? On the right hand side. Positive numbers are on the right hand side of 0. So here is your 3. Now if we have to plot -2 on your number line, so where is your -2? On the left hand side. So here -2, so we can plot this number like this. Now similarly if we have to plot 6 on a number line, so here after 5 here is your 6, so we can plot this number like this. Okay. Now if we have to plot -4, so we can plot this as like this. Clear students? Now your next topic is addition and subtraction of integers. So students, in simple way, if we have to do addition, so we can say that we have to just add 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers or whatever else, and in case of subtraction we have to simply subtract the numbers. But if we have to do addition and subtraction of integers, then there are 4 basic rules. So what are these rules? If we have 2 numbers, one with a plus sign and other with a minus sign, so in that case we have to do subtraction. Clear? If we have 2 numbers, first with a negative sign and second with a positive sign, then in that case we have to do subtraction again. In third case, if we have 2 numbers both with a plus sign, so in that case we have to do simply addition. And if we have 2 numbers both with negative sign, in that case we have to do addition again. Okay. अगर हमारे पास 2 नंबर्स हैं, एक के साथ आपका प्लस साइन है, एक के साथ आपका माइनस साइन है, तो हम उस केस में क्या करेंगे, उसमें सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. और ऐसे ही अगर हमारे पास फर्स्ट इंटीजर के साथ माइनस साइन है, सेकंड के साथ प्लस साइन है, सो उस केस में भी हम क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. थर्ड वन, अगर हमारे पास दोनों ही प्लस के हैं तो हम सिंपली उसको क्या कर देंगे, ऐड कर देंगे. और अगर हमारे पास दोनों नंबर्स के साथ नेगेटिव साइन है तो उस केस में भी हम दोबारा क्या कर देंगे, एडिशन करेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट, हमें ये ध्यान रखना है इंटीजर्स की एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करते टाइम जो भी हम 2 नंबर को ऐड कर रहे हैं या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो उनमें से जिस भी नंबर के साथ जो नंबर हमारा बिगेस्ट नंबर होगा उसके साथ जो भी साइन होगा हमें वही साइन लगाना है. क्लियर? लेट टेक सम एग्जांपल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी हैव 2 नंबर्स लाइक 7 - 2. ओके, 7 and -2. So first number is your positive integer and second one is your negative integer. Okay, so अगर हमारे पास एक प्लस है एक माइनस है, उस केस में हमें क्या करनी है, सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी है. So 7 - 2 is equals to 5. But the integer, बिगेस्ट इंटीजर कौन सा है, 7. 7 के साथ साइन को क्या है, कुछ नहीं है. कुछ नहीं का मतलब क्या होता है कि वो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है. तो पॉजिटिव मीन्स इसके साथ भी क्या रहेगा, प्लस. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टेक another example. If we have the numbers like this, -7 + 2. Okay, so minus plus, first one is your -7 and second one is your +2. So माइनस और प्लस के केस में हमें क्या करनी है, सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी है. So 7 - 2 is equals to 5. बट इस केस में हमारे पास बिगेस्ट इंटीजर कौन सा, नंबर कौन सा है, 7. 7 के साथ साइन कौन सा है, माइनस. तो यहाँ पे भी क्या आ जाए आपका, -5. Clear? Suppose we have another numbers like 9 + 2. Both the numbers are of positive type integers. So in this case we have to simply do the addition. 9 + 2 is equals to 11. Plus means हमें क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. So another example is -9 - 2. Okay, so both the numbers are of negative type integers. और माइनस और माइनस दोनों होते हैं तो हमें क्या करना होता है, एडिशन करनी है. 9 + 2 = 11, दोनों के साथ ही नेगेटिव है। ओके, सो बिगेस्ट कौन सा है? 9, 9 के साथ क्या साइन है? माइनस, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा आपका -11। Clear students? Now these are some basic rules to do addition and subtraction in case of integers. I hope you all understand this. So for today's your homework is to understand all the topics that are done today. I hope you understand it carefully. Okay, so next we will do exercise 1.1 in our next session. Okay, thanks, have a great day.